In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import an image inside of Onshape. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to cad.onshape.com and then log into your account. Now once you're inside of your account, you'll need to find your specific sketch that you want to upload this image to. Now once from here, you'll simply need to click on this sketch, like so, double click on it, and then once it's loading, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to head over to the menu over here, where you can see that you'll need to click Create New Sketch right here. Once from here, you'll need to click on where you want your image to be inside of this little triangle. Just click on it like so. And once from here, you'll simply need to go over to the menu again, and then from here you'll be able to see Insert DRX or DWG, and then from here you'll just need to head over and open it like so, and then click Insert Image. Once from here, it should look something like this, where you can see you can insert an image from either your current project or from other documents. Once from here, you'll be able to be choosing Owned by Me, Recently Opened, Created by Me, Public by Me, or Public. You can also go down here to import directly from your library inside of your computer. Now once from here, you'll simply need to click on it like so, and then click Open. And then from here, it'll take some time to upload. And as you can see here, you can find it inside of the documents, but you can also go inside of the Owned by Me and Current Images and click on it like so. And then from here, you'll be able to draw the image into your project. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!